Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. Today is something I'm really passionate about. Here it goes. Find out what you want and do it. Find out what makes you happy and do it. What? Okay, so a couple questions. How do you make your decisions on how you spend your time on Earth? How do you decide what invest your time and energy in? So many of us start our lives by doing what we think is smart or what we think is realistic. We do all the things that society tells us to do. Whatever those things are for you. Well-paying job, picket fence, hot smoking body. It goes something like this in your head. Let's be real. I have to provide for my family. I need this corporate job. Or your brain says, well, the reality is we had to get married because she had great life insurance. Please don't misunderstand me. Doing any of those things because you want to is perfectly fine. However, limiting yourself and thinking that the way you're doing it is the only way you can survive is hugely understating the glory of this universe. What if instead you thought, what do I want to do? Why not? Yes, some people might say it's irresponsible or not realistic. But in the end, isn't doing what you don't want any less irresponsible? If you're not doing what you want to be doing, you'll end up most likely doing what others want you to do. By doing what you don't want to do, you are robbing yourself and the world of the most powerful tool you have, your own motivation. So, don't do what you don't want to do. Do what you want to do and give it your absolute best. It is the best way. It's the best way. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I got a little fired up today. If you find my tips useful, subscribe to my channel and share it with your loved ones. Life change requires work, and it's a lot more fun to do this work with a life coach. See you in the next one, and remember, don't do what you don't want to do, and do what you want to do.